Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you're still not sure. The uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I'm going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds, Bluetooth headphones, with active noise cancellation renewed, earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the Amazon Renewed store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item rebuilt for Comfort AirPods 4 have been redesigned for exceptional all-day comfort and greater stability. With a refined contour, shorter stem, and quick press controls for music or calls. Active Noise Cancellation AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation help reduce outside noise before it reaches your ears, so you can immerse yourself in what you're listening to. Hear the world around you. The powerful H2 chip comes to AirPods 4. Adaptive audio seamlessly blends ANC in transparency mode, which lets you comfortably hear and interact with the world around you, exactly as it sounds to provide the best listening experience in any environment. And when you're speaking with someone nearby, conversation awareness automatically lowers the volume of what's playing. Improved sound and call quality voice isolation improves the quality of calls in loud conditions. Using advanced computational audio, it reduces background noise while isolating and clarifying the sound of your voice for whomever you're speaking to. Magical experience. Just say Siri or Hey Siri to play a song, make a call, or check your schedule. And with Siri interactions, now you can respond to Siri by simply nodding your head yes or shaking your head no. Pair AirPods 4 by simply placing them near your device and tapping Connect on your screen. Easily share a song or show between two sets of AirPods. A skin-detecting sensor knows to play audio only when you're wearing AirPods and pauses when you take them off. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is Apple's AirPods 4, released in late 2024, come in two versions. A standard model with personalized spatial audio, and a premium model with active noise cancellation, ANC, adaptive audio, and a new H2 chip for enhanced sound, all featuring a contoured design, touch controls, USB-C case, water resistance, and longer battery life, up to 30 total hours. Key upgrades include the H2 chip, better battery, and improved audio for both models, with the ANC version adding advanced features like conversation awareness. If you've ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who are already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information, item details, brand name, Apple model. Number a 3059, model name AirPods 4, with ASIV noise cancellation Milton media cable, age range description. Adult warranty description, 90-day limited warranty number of items. 1 UPC 601 557 981 826. Pacura Apple is, autographed, no bestsellers. Reg 2489 in electronics. C-top 100 in electronics. 13 in renewed headphones. 261 in earbud and in-ear headphones. ASIN B0D. LY219. Q7 customer reviews. 4343 out of 5 stars. 589 4.3 Out of 5 stars. Style color white style main. With active noise cancellation. Measurements item weight, 0.26 pounds unit count. 1 count feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds, Bluetooth headphones. With active noise cancellation renewed share. Found a lower price. Lee. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I've watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.